Hey guys, welcome back to new video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on allow data usage while data saver is on Google Chrome. So first of all, to open settings. After opening it from here, scrolling down, here is an option you can see here, apps. Click on that, and from here you just need to choose Google Chrome. And then here as the third section you can see here usage. In that section as the first option you can see here mobile data. Click on that. And then here is the last option you can see here, allow data usage while data saver is on. And here you can see that it had been turned off. So by clicking it, you can turn it on. So now you can see that it had been turned on, allow data usage while data saver is on Amazon. So that's all. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.